Open the front door of the propane heater. It can be removed, then replaced once the unit is running. Remove propane regulator and hose from the case. Insert the propane hose through the left side of the case. Line up the hose with the intake valve, then pull back on the quick neck collar, push the fittings together and release. Press firmly to secure. Attach the propane regulator to your propane tank. The system runs off any modern propane tank with a standard connection. Located on the left side of the unit are the water inlet and outlet. Attach your potable water line from your water distribution system to the lower fitting. Open the valve to allow the system to fill with water. On the right side of the unit are the cold and hot water discharges. Attach them to your sink or shower systems. Check the exhaust for any stray packing material or other flammable debris. Open the propane tank valve all the way. Unscrew the cap protecting the priming system. Open the main gas line to the internal regulator. Depress the priming button for 5 to 10 seconds until you can faintly smell propane. Reattach the primer cap and wait for about 30 seconds to allow any propane in the air to diffuse. To trigger the igniter, depress the pilot light button while hitting the igniter. You can watch for the pilot light through the glass above the igniter. It may take up to 1 minute of striking the igniter for the pilot light to ignite. If the pilot light does not ignite, check that all valves are fully open, reprime the system, and try again. Once the pilot light is lit, slowly release the pilot light button. You can now slide the pilot button to the right. For fastest heating, it should be all the way over to the right. The dial below the pilot button restricts water flow through the unit. The slower the flow of water, the hotter the water will be. Open the flow by twisting counterclockwise, restrict it by turning clockwise. You may have to mix your hot and cold water lines to achieve desired temperature. To shut the unit down, slide the pilot button all the way to the left to cut off gas flow. Shut down the main valve on the unit and the valve on your propane tank. For this demonstration, the heater was set up inside a Western Shelter tent. It is recommended the unit be set up outside or with a vent due to gas exhaust. The propane water heater can heat about 4 gallons a minute. To run multiple sinks or showers simultaneously, larger heaters are available. This concludes the training video for the Western Shelter System's propane water heater.